So today I'm going to look at getting the primary cover off. I popped the drain plug out of the primary last night just to let a bit of oil drain out. That's how much has come out of it. I think there might be a little bit too much in there. I think I may have had a bit of a problem. Right, get my fingers in now, hopefully. Give it a tug. There we go, that's going. There we have the inside of one primary. Right, first things first. Should we disassemble the clutch? Ooh. Oh dear. What the fuck is all that? Oh, that is not looking good. There's a load of swarfy stuff in there. Shit. Slight change of plan. I'm going to take this off first. I've got my specially ground down box spanner. Hopefully get them off of there. Slide that off there. Let me grab a cloth. Right, oh fucking hell. Right, so that stator, you can see in the camera, absolutely mullered in there. That has been grinding on it. Shit. That'll be a new one of them then. Plus all the bloody cabling's very brittle in there. Absolute shit that. That's mullered. Right, this is going to be easy to sort out. Cut these off at different lengths. One gone. Two gone. And three. Right, let's get it close up in the camera. Well, you can see that it's been chewy there. Bugger. There's my tool gone, there's my tool. That's not a good sign. The clutch plates are stuck together. That would explain my clutch issues. Oh yeah. Wow. Right, hopefully we're going to dugger the right way. There we have. Is that washer stopping it? Don't know what's stopping that.
One eternity later.
I got it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pop all the bearings out, little rollers there, count them up, see how many we've got and mark it on the bag. I'll have to double check, make sure I have got the right amount there. A quick visual inspection, I don't know if you can see that. I'm not looking too bad. Right, so the clutch basket's popped off before I got the rest of the bearings out, which I should have really done beforehand, but you know, that's me delving in, not knowing what I'm doing. So we'll get the front off now. What size is that? It's going to be about an inch, isn't it? Ooh. 1916s. 1916s. Might need a puller for that.
2,000 years later.
There we go. I've got the key as well. There's the key. You can actually see where it's been catching on the stator. I think I might have to get a new one of them, I don't know. It's still heavily magnetised. Great. Ain't going to come off of there, is it, without any assistance? Let's get the tension off the primary chain. I should have done that first, really, shouldn't I? Not fair. Yeah. There'd be primary chain. I can't speak English, can I? Primary chain adjusting tool. Bit of a bolt. Should fit in there like that. I've got it loose, I might be able to get it with a screwdriver. I've got it. There we go. Clutch basket out. Spacer on a little oh god, I can't. Don't lose a big washer off the back. Bush, or whatever they want to call it. Washer, whatever. Is that unscrewing or not? I don't know. Get the chain off. If I can. Yeah, just pull the threads out the bottom. Where are you? You're there. But at least I can re-tap it whilst we're here. See, not today. We'll get the rest of these roller bearings out. I think that's all of them. We have a bag of 20 roller bearings there. I'll double check and see if that is the right amount. I wonder if we give it a tap, that might shock it. You never know. That's bright, it's coming in. Here we go. One off, so I'll do that. Cool, not one off anyway. Try and get the bloody clutch one off now. Right, and this sprocket, those holes are actually threaded, and it looks like somebody's done it before and they've actually took bloody great chunks out of the case. That's not good. Little engine of horrors, this one. The parts list is going up. The tensioner is mullered. It's all separating. That's not good. We'll have a new one of them on the list. Let's get it out. Let's get a shot of it. Come on. So, a bit of modification with the grinder. The puller now fits in the back. See if we can get it off this shaft. Something's moved there. And is it just broke it? Yeah, it's just broke the puller, I think. Has it? Oh no, it popped off. It's popped off. That's going to ping off again, I think. So if we can give it a tap. There's that little drifter. Come on, Sydney, where is it? What have you done with it? There it is. I'll use it the wrong way around. Pop out of that one, I think. I don't want to take too much off the puller because then it will weaken it and it won't work ever again. There we go. Woohoo! Proper taper look on that one. Key. Can I get that key out of there? How's it gone? A little Woodruff key as well. Righty. Right, let's see if we can. Last job I'm going to do today is get that plate off. If we can. Don't know how good these screws are going to be on here. Decent screwdriver. I did have a decent screwdriver somewhere. There. Right. Let me get the impact on it. We've got the old impact driver out. That's gone. I've got that one already, haven't I? Yeah. Bloody rod stuck now. I'm just going to get in behind it like that. Yeah, there's a crap load of silicone on there. Right, there's something holding that back there. I think there might be another screw on the back of this when we split the case to get that off. So I'm going to leave that for now, and I think I'll leave that video here. So there we are then, that's the primary stripped, ready for the next stage. I think next I will do the timing side, and I'll do that in another video. Thanks for watching.